Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hero RC. It's been a while since I've made a video. Thought it's about time I get out here and throw something together. Today is Saturday, June 20th. It's about 8 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and say if I do decide to do a run, it's gonna be a night run. But today in frame, we've got the new addition to the fleet. No, it isn't. It is the H10 Optic by Vanquish. And I've been working on this thing off and on since my last video. I'd have to go back and look at the videos to see when my last video was. I watch them, but I don't look at dates and everything. And when I do look at them, I don't remember them. So I'll just have to go back and check it out. But the main attraction is the H10 Optic. As you can see, I've got desert lizards on it, trill weights, front and rear. And I didn't even know they made these. So I'm gonna get some of those for the Jeep and slap them on there, but that's another subject. I've got her with the Hobby Fusion Pro Elite in this baby. I decided to go ahead and put one. I got another one, but I went on to decide to put this one in here because, yeah, as you know, and I mentioned it in my part 1 video, that Vanquish came out with a new H10. I'm not going to say it's new. They just came out with an H10 with some upgrades. And one of the upgrades included a hobby wing, but it's a 1800 SE in that one. So this is going to be my version of the new H10 Optic that just came out, but with a few more things added. Servo is going to stay the same. You got the Fusion Pro SE Elite. You got the trill weights. Got the 100 millimeter Desert Lizard shocks, tweaked the way I want them. Look at that smooth. Look at that, smooth as can be. She's got the light kit in it. Check out the headlights in the front. And then I put which I'm going to move that back a little bit. It's got a red light in the back up under there. So I'm going to move that back closer to the rear. And it's got a light up antenna. How cool is that? And I've put my own design on it. I'm going to say Red Cat inspired. With the stripe on it. Ran me some stripes down the side. And then I ran one on the fin. And then I ordered me some numbers. And I just went on and got a bunch of them because you're going to always need numbers. I got white and black. So I'm going to put me the white numbers on here, just on the door on each side. And yeah. Yeah, hopefully, if not tonight, I will definitely get her out tomorrow. I mean, and pretty much all I've done, I'm off this weekend, and pretty much all I've done is slept. I mean, I just sleep all the freaking time, man. Yeah, that's my version. I like it. I think it's going to be pretty cool. And to top it off, I've got my little painted decals. This is the fan that goes on the inside there. You can hardly see it, but it's just nice to have that little decal to it, or that detail. And I painted the driver and the seat. I didn't do the console. I just left it the way it was. And I also painted the steering wheel, which I'm going to probably go over that in white. But yeah, she's going to be sweet when she gets all put back together. And I got the arms painted on the driver with its blue gloves. Fire extinguisher, which I just put this is going to be original coat, but I put a coat of paint on here because I want to make that white or red, whichever one stands out. I'm thinking white will probably stand out better than anything. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this. Oh, one other thing, and I got it turned upside down. I don't know how that happened. The box that goes in the back here, I went on and painted that too. Yeah, man, she's gonna be sweet. Then I got some clear coat that I'm gonna put on it to keep it from getting scratched up so easy, because that paint will scratch off if I'm trying to put it in the car. And if I rub it the wrong way, it will scratch easy, no matter how many coats you put on there. So I'm gonna tighten it up with some clear coat. And one other thing, these are the wheels that are gonna go on here with the blue inserts, 3D printed inserts. Mudslingers with 1.9 5.0s, 2.0 with some deep dish heavy trill wheels. So she's ready, and I left one set disassembled because I want to weigh it. I want to weigh these wheels. I want to weigh the tire, the wheel, and the insert individually, just to see how much things weigh. And I still haven't broke out my 4-wheel scale yet. I need to do that. But that's where I'm at. And I got these extra lights go on there, but trying to put them on here would be a little complicated. I mean, I don't. Yeah, and you need these lights came with the light kit, but didn't come with a bar or anything, because you can see the. Let me take them out. The lights have a indention on the base where you can bar mount them. You see what I'm saying? But I don't know. Yeah, they'll definitely come in handy for something else on down the road. Light kit has a switch, on and off switch in it. So I just connected. It's a Trick RC light kit. So it came with this box, and you just plug all the lights in it except for the what lights did I put on here? And I can't put any on here anyway. Rock lights. I was about to tell myself I forgot to put my rock lights on here, but I'll figure it out. Because I got an extra channel there. But yeah, light switch. It's something else I plugged extra in here, and I'm not sure what. Can't remember what it was. Oh, the light stick. The light stick. It's gonna go extra in here. And then I'll take channel 4 and put my rock lights in it, because I see places already where I can hook up some rock lights and make it glow at night. Boy, this is a beautiful rig. But anyway, this is going to be a very long video putting this thing together, because this is part 2, and after this it's going to be on the flip side, and we'll do a run. And like I said, most likely it'll be a night run, and then I'll come back tomorrow and probably do a day run. And also tomorrow I have a surprise vehicle that I went on and ordered for Father's Day. And I'll just go ahead and give you this much. It is my first hard body other than the Machican and the FJ40 by FMS. So, folks, I will see you on the flip side. Welcome to the flip side. All right, here we go.